So I've managed to find one of the missing two puppies. This is it, the one who's eating like crazy now, all the leftovers. There are 8 now, but the one that was missing yesterday is gone, and I think he fell into those wells. I have to do something about these puppies because I can see the mummy coming now, because it's very not safe here anymore. If those wells were not there, maybe, but with the wells also, whatever we did was just an improvisation. I saw that the wells were done probably a long time ago. They wanted to drill, they drilled to do I don't know what, and they left them like that. They never finished. Out there is the mummy, and now they are used by people who come and take oil and gasoline, whatever stuff it's inside of them, with their buckets like that. And I found some big ones filled with something like that. So I think that is how they steal the gasoline. Unfortunately, they are too close to the babies, and the babies are not safe. So I'm going now to my shelter to see whatever solution I can find. They really need to be relocated, because it's a horrible way to die.